Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Acura RSX steering wheel. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Disconnect your car's battery by removing the negative terminal first. Wait at least 3 minutes to allow any residual power to dissipate, especially for the airbag system. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire process for your protection. With safety precautions in place, you can now proceed to remove the airbag module. Look for 2 Torx screws, usually T30, located on each side of the steering wheel. Carefully loosen and remove these screws. Once detached, gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs, then set the airbag aside safely, face up. Now that the airbag is safely out of the way, you can access the main steering wheel nut. Use a 14mm socket to loosen this large center nut. Before fully removing it, it's a good idea to mark the steering wheel's position relative to the steering column. This ensures proper alignment during reinstallation. With the nut off, gently wiggle and pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. When reinstalling, align your steering wheel with the mark you made earlier to ensure it's straight. Thread the 14mm center nut back on and tighten it to 36 foot-pounds of torque. Reconnect the airbag's electrical connectors, then secure the airbag module with its 2 Torx screws. Finally, reconnect your car's battery. For more great tips and deals, including how to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.